everyone, and welcome to another episode of Road Choice TV. I'm Justin, your host, and today we're going to be talking about Road Choice spring brakes and chambers. Spring brakes are a critical component in a truck's air brake system. Anytime you're stopping and parking your vehicle, you're depending on your brake chamber. Now, Road Choice has a full selection of brake chamber sizes in both single service chambers and combination spring brakes like this one. Today, we're talking about combination spring brakes that function as both a service brake and a parking brake. The service side is used to slow or stop the vehicle, while the parking side holds the vehicle in place when parked. Now, to understand how they work, let's look inside a combination chamber. The service brake side has a diaphragm actuator which converts air pressure into mechanical force. The force on the parking brake side is provided by a large, powerful spring. The spring stays compressed while the parking brakes remain unreleased, and the spring exerts force once the vehicle is parked. The diaphragm is held between the piggyback and service housing plate by a 1 or a 2-piece clamp ring. Air pressure enters the brake chamber through the inlet ports and acts upon that diaphragm, moving the push plate and rod assembly forward. The forward motion of the push rod rotates the slack adjuster and camshaft, applying the vehicle brakes. Now, brake chambers come in different sizes and are identified by the numbers that specify the surface area of the diaphragm. A chamber that has 30 square inches of effective diaphragm area is referred to as a Type 30 brake chamber. Most Class 8 equipment uses Type 30. Now, chambers are further divided by either standard or long stroke lengths, and you can tell a long stroke chamber by its square air hose ports, and the adapter base will have identification for 2.5 or 3 inches. Here are some of the features and advantages of our Road Choice brake chambers. We use a power spring made from high-quality chrome silicone steel wire and coated with a protective polymer to prevent corrosion. Quality and durability are important here because a broken power spring is the leading cause of spring brake malfunction. Road Choice brake chambers use materials and manufacturing processes that reduce residual stress for less fatigue and longer life. That means less vehicle downtime and reduced maintenance costs for you. The diaphragm that we use is made of rubber with a nylon fabric interior, and our design has been tested and proven through over 1 million cycles of operation, plus testing for temperature extremes, rubber to fabric adhesion, and rubber abrasion. We use an aluminum parking pressure plate that ensures proper engagement of the caging bolt for safe handling. It centers the spring position for consistent operation and also provides a positive stop to reduce coil contact. This plate is made to maintain dependable performance over time without loss of power. It's also less susceptible to corrosion and diaphragm abrasion. Our service brake chamber is designed for extended trouble-free heavy-duty operation. And the push rod is made from high-strength steel, and testing shows the push rod plate is thick enough to last 1 million cycles. And we didn't forget the service spring, which is formed from pre-galvanized wire for performance you can count on. There's one more feature that really makes a difference. Road Choice chambers are designed with less weight and a lower center of gravity than other chambers available on the market today. This means less stress on the mounting studs and axle brackets, and the slimmer rear profile also assures better clearance all the way around. With Road Choice quality and all of these features, you can trust your vehicle's stopping and parking power to our spring brakes and chambers. We have 2 more Road Choice TV episodes that deal with spring brakes and chambers, so check those out. And there's always plenty of technical and product advice waiting for you at roadchoice.com or by stopping by your local Road Choice parts counter. And if you have any questions about this episode or any other episode, send me an email to justin@roadchoice.com and I'll get you an answer. Well, thanks for watching and keep coming back for new episodes. We're here to give you information and tips you can use immediately to keep your truck performing at its best.